everyone, today we are going to solve a sum in a analytical geometry. The question is nothing but show that the locus of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the varying tangent plane of the ellipsoid. The ellipsoid equation is given here. We want to prove this term. So let me go and solve our sum. So the question given, first we want to find our tangency condition. The tangency condition of formula is nothing but x into x1 divided by a square plus y into y1 divided by b square plus z into z1 divided by c square equal to 1. This is the tangency condition for our question. Next, what we want to do means we want to take as x0, y0 and z0 as a foot points. Then x minus x0, y minus y0, z minus z0 as a direction points. These are in the perpendicular form. So we had a formula, right? Perpendicular term means lambda 1 lambda 2 plus gamma 1 gamma 2 plus mu 1 mu 2 equal to 0. Like that we had a formula. So we want to do taking this as lambda 1 gamma 1 and mu 1 and lambda 2 gamma 2 mu 2, like that we do. So we want to do means we get our answer as x0 x into x0 plus y into y0 plus z into z0 equal to x0 square plus y0 square plus z0 square. Like this we find our second equation. Then what we want to do means comparing this 1 and 2, we want to divide 1 divided by 2, because here 1 in both term x has a common. So 1 divided by 2 means we get thus this term. So x1 divided by x0 and a square equal to y1 divided by b square y0 equal to z1 divided by c square z0 equal to 1 divided by x0 square plus y0 square plus z0 square. In this term we want to find our x1. So we want how we find means nothing but x1 divided by a square x0, x1 divided by a square x0 equal to 1 divided by x0 square plus y0 square plus z0 square. Likewise we taken. If we want to find our x1 is this term goes to here. So likewise we find our x1 term. Then likewise also we want to find our y1 term, z1 term. Then what we want to do means here having a ellipsoid form as x square, y square, z square. So in our question we find our x1, y1, z1 terms. So we want to change this as a x1, y1, z1 terms in a ellipsoid equation. So if we change means we get our equation here. Then what we want to do means here as a x1 square. Here we find our x1 equations, so we want to substitute here x1 equations. So the x1 is here, but here is a x1 square. We want to square these terms. We want to square the y1 terms and also z1 terms, means we get this square, we get this answer. Then what we want to do means we cancel this a square, because upper also having a square in power into 2 means there is a power 4. So this a square and a power 4 getting cancelled means one a power 2 is left in the numerator. So that numerator a square is placed here. Then x0 square plus b square, y0 square plus c square, z0 square, likewise the first term of a square equal to this x0 square plus y0 square plus z0 square. The whole square goes to here, because here having a 1 into anything is anything. So that anything is nothing but x0 square plus y0 square plus z0 square the whole square. So we placed here in a question the x, y, z terms are given, but we wrote taken as x1, y1 and z1. So we had a forms like this x0, y0 and z0. So we want to dropping our suffix means we get as a square x square plus b square y square plus c square z square equal to x square plus y square z square, as like given in a question. We got our solution from this questions. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching and keep supporting.